this video I want to show you how to create a Ton wallet on Telegram. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you how to create a Ton wallet on Telegram that can receive cryptocurrencies. So before I go here, this is what you need to do. Make sure your Telegram is up to date. So after updating your Telegram, this is what to do. So, and make sure you watch this video till the end. So first in here, after coming to this part, you can see if you update your Telegram, you are going to see this picture. You can see it's here and you can see it's showing new. So this means that Telegram just added this feature to their platform some months ago. So after updating your Telegram, if you come to here and you cannot see this feature here, this is what you need to do. Now come over to the search bar here, then you click on here, then you come over to here, then you type in wallet. Okay, so you can see it here, so make sure you type only the word wallet, don't add anything, so it will take you to the right place. So after you come over to here, you see it here. So this is for the reason if you cannot see it in this place, if you cannot see it here, so make sure you head over to the search bar, then you type in wallet. So since on my own I can see it here, I'm just going to click in. So before I continue, please make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you share this video to others people, and make sure you leave a comment. Even if you don't have a comment, make sure you tell me where you are watching this video from. So thanks for doing that for me. So now let's continue. Now come over to here, then you click on wallet, then you come over to here, then you click on I agree, you check the box here, then you click on continue. Now it's going to load, it's loading here, then you can read it here. You can read wallet in Telegram made for you, easy to buy, and you can see send to friend, you can see convenient to use. So you can read what is written here. So in this with this wallet here, you can purchase Bitcoin, Toncoin, Notcoin, and USD and USDT. So you can buy card or via P2P. You can buy card via P2P market. So you can send to friend, and you can do transfer to worldwide. You can see what is written all over to here. So this is what you do. Then you come over to let's go. All right, so you can see here now it has we have opened it here. So what you have to do here, after getting to this point, it is not over, so don't rush. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I will be dropping another video on how you can verify this wallet here. So you can see here, you can send and you can add crypto, you can exchange here, you can also use the P2P market here. So what you need to do here, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and make sure you like this video, and make sure you leave a comment. Even if you don't have any comment, just tell me where you are watching this video from. Okay, so I'll be dropping another video on how you can verify this this wallet here that we just created on Telegram, so we can be able to receive and withdraw the money you get. So let me just go to setting here. So after you have get to this point, what you need to do is to do some setup here. Then you can turn it on, you can set your passcode, then you can come to the authentication levels here. The authentication levels here, which I'll be doing another video entirely on how you can set it up. You can see you can also change this to Naira if you wish. So you can also you can see always expand asset, you can turn it on, so you can do this. So this the identification levels. I will be dropping another videos on how you can verify on Telegram the documents you need. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you get notification whenever I drop the video. So I believe you have gained value to this video, so make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you also share this video to other people. So now let me just click on the identification level here. All right, so after getting to here, after I click on this, so I'll be dropping another video on how you can be on the document you hit. After I've done some research here, I'll be coming back to drop a video on how you can verify yourself. So I need to do some research on the right document we need. So I'd advise you don't do anything yet at this moment. So make sure you subscribe, so when I drop the video you get notification. So we have to subscribe to this channel so you get notification each time I drop new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.